three-letter words. Okay, what we are going to learn? Phonics, three-letter words. So I drew many pictures here. Can you see the picture here? Answer me, yes or no? Okay, now which picture is this? Bat. Do you know the spelling? What is the bat? Okay, next. What is this? Yes. What is this? Then this. Mat. Do you know mat? Where you sit for lunch time? Do you sit on the mat when you eat your lunch? Yes or no? What is this one? Red. So today we are going to learn phonic three-letter words beginning with, ending with AT. Okay now? Ready? You have to say with me, okay? AT, 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 AT. All of you say loudly. AT, 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 AT. BAT says bat. Again say AT, 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 AT. BAT says bat. AT, 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 AT. CAT says cat. Again say AT, 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 AT. CAT says cat. AT, 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 AT. FAT says fat. Now, can you see your fat picture? No. Now come here. Man, please come here. Who is fat here? I am, ma'am. Who is fat? Fat. Fat means what? Don't know? Thin, fat, opposite of thin, fat. Don't know? Yes. Who is fat here? Tell me. I am ma'am. Which ma'am? Yes. Okay. Got it now? What is fat? Do you understand, ma'am? Yes. Okay. I can say AT, 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 AT. FAT says fat. AT, 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 AT. HAT says hat. HAT says hat. AT, 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 AT. MAT says mat. AT, 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 AT. MAT says mat. AT, 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 AT. PAT says pat. Now, what is PAT say pat? Do you know what is pat? Do you know? Do you know what is pat? Man, please come. Okay. Man, when your parents, when you do something good, if you won the prize, what your mama do? Mama, papa? Done well, like this. Mama does or not? Yes or no, your mama? No? This like this does or not? This action is called pat. What we call? Pat. Okay? Understand? The next. AT, 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 AT. PAT says pat. AT, 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 AT. RAT says red. RAT says red. Again say AT, 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 AT. RAT says red. AT, 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 AT. say sad? Okay, now do you know what is sad? Do you know what is sad? No. Now you have sit on the chair. Yes or no? Sit. Now SIT sit. Okay. Now past tense of sit is sat. What is the past tense of sit is? Sat. Okay. Okay. You say past tense of sit is sat. Sat. Okay, you already sat on the chair. Okay. मला वाटतं परत एकदा घेऊ